Hey guys, we're back here at the House of Palace, or the Palace of Pleasure.
Oh, really?
I don't know. Yeah, Paul's out there doing some sanding. We're just getting some things prepared for the final blue paint. And as you can see over here, the ute is ready to rock and roll. We just got to do a little bit of vacuuming, clean up the area, and we're going to get the cab and the back tray painted in the Gulf Blue. So that's going to be today's job. So stick around and enjoy the show, and we will endeavour to paint everything blue. So we've all taped up here, ready to paint. We're going to do a quick walk around. You can see I've taped up all those surfaces we don't want to get paint on. And we just have the internal cab and the roof. That's all ready to go. And obviously the back tray. So the next thing we're going to do is have a coffee and have some... Yes, we're doing primer, and then we're going to have coffee, and then Paul's special bread, which you guys unfortunately don't get to have any, and it's all for me and me only. So bad luck. Okay.
Kids have probably already eaten a load.
Don't say that. So we have all the parts ready to go. They've all been primed and prep soled, wax and grease remover. You can see inside the cabin here, is all ready to be painted. We're going to do it on its side just for ease of spray painting. We might have to turn it around onto the other side. Paul's just finishing off the parcel shelf, the problematic parcel shelf. They always get water in them, and that's all good. And yep, ready to go. So we will put the GoPro on a couple of different angles and try and grab some nice painting blue spray painting for you guys. Okay guys, have a look here. We are all finished painting. I'll just show you the aftermath. Nice and shiny. The Golf blue is really showing its colours. And I'll just show you in here. Of course the compressor had to go off, but you know, that's just what happens. Anyway, you can see here. Pity most of this is going to be covered, but the dash won't be, so that'll come up good. So pretty happy with all that. One more achievement ticked off the list. And next we're going to be on to, we've got to repair this back bulkhead and get that attached. That'll be the next part we have to put on. And then attaching the doors and fixing those up. And then after that will be just this general assembly. So starting to put the parts back on it, the exciting part. So I will leave you guys with this beautiful vision. And we will see you in the next video. So take it easy, stay funky. Yo.